In the quest for a healthier lifestyle, it's crucial to pay attention to what we put on our plates. Our diet plays a pivotal role in determining our overall well-being, from physical health to mental clarity. In this article, we'll delve into the concept of a healthy palate and explore how a well-balanced diet can significantly impact our lives. Understanding the basics of a healthy palate. What is a healthy palate? A healthy palate isn't just about enjoying a variety of flavors. It's about consuming foods that nourish our bodies. It involves choosing a diverse range of nutrient-dense foods that provide essential vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients. A well-balanced palate is not only delicious but also a cornerstone of good health. The importance of balanced nutrition. Balanced nutrition is the cornerstone of a healthy palate. It ensures that our bodies receive the right mix of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. A diet that skews too heavily towards one type of nutrient can lead to deficiencies or health issues. Achieving balance is key. In addition to choosing the right foods, portion control is crucial. Overeating, even of healthy foods, can lead to excess calorie intake. Pay attention to hunger cues and practice mindful eating. In the journey to optimize your health and well-being, your palate plays a significant role. By embracing a balanced diet, you can enjoy improved physical health, mental clarity, and overall vitality. Remember, your plate is the canvas upon which you paint your path to wellness. Make each meal count by choosing a rich and diverse array of nutrient-packed foods. Take charge of your health today by crafting a healthy palate that nourishes your body and mind. Your journey towards optimal health starts with the choices you make at each meal.